Hi friends, in this section I just plan to cover role-based access control. So I cannot make all the videos in the one shot, so I divide in different section, and this is a part of AZ104. So first we will I just explain whatever I will cover for you. So this section I will cover for describe RBAC, describe Azure Role, describe Azure AD Role, and computer Azure RBAC rules and Azure AD Role comparison. Okay. So first we will go for what is RBAC. So RBAC is simple things. I will tell you one small example. You have Azure environment in the company organization. So you have a different subscription level, management level, and resource level and resource. Okay. So you have different users and employees. Okay, and you need to give the access to the this employees. So different level, different scope level, like resource level or like management level or subscription. So simple things you need to give the access to what they need to access in this. So simple concept I will tell you who, what you can do where, only this. So Azure administration needed to secure the access their Azure resource like virtual machine, website, network and storage, etc. Also manage who can access their resources and what action are allowed. So simple things is role based access things. Okay. So what is the concept of RBAC? Who, what you can do where. So we will go for the each topic. Who, I will go for each one. So who, what, where. So first we will go for who. Who means I told you your organization have a user or groups. User means employees and group means different groups like a developer group, like a product test and sales group. So the security principle. So you will give the rule for the each user. So in Azure RBAC, different built-in rules are available. So what? So next one we will go for the what. So some built-in rule: reader, contributor, owner, and user access administrator. So now you select one user. Example, I select one user Tim. Okay, I will select one user Tim. I will select Tim. Then I add the role for the Tim like a contributor. So I give the role for the contributor. So next one, scope level. Scope where this team will be, where you need to assign this role for the team. So you can assign in the management level, you can assign in the subscription level, also you can assign resource level, and also you can assign in the resource group level. So so this symbol where you the team will be access the resource level. So you can understand who, what, where. So who means role assigned, and what role will be assigned. You can select the roles from there, and where you need to effective this permission in the scope level. So I think you understand now RBAC concept. So we will go for the next level. So we will discuss for the Azure roles. So Azure RBAC rule and many custom built-in rule available in the Azure portal. So we will discuss some more important rule: owner rule, contributor rule, and a reader rule. So what is owner rule? You can read, add, and remove resources. Also have the capability to add and remove other user to from the resource owner or the other role. So owner rule is complete access, give the access and user, and also you can be control of the user also. So contributor rule only different. You cannot do expect, you cannot add or remove additional user or the resources. So the same rule have the owner rule. You have the same permission owner rule, add or read or remove the resource, whatever you can do, but only different is cannot access the user resource, add or remove the users. So reader rule, also the name you can explain. Reader means only view. You can only view, nothing, you cannot do anything, just only view the resources. So we will go for the next slide. So Azure scope level. What is a scope? Scope means you need to give the, you have different scope level is available in the Azure, like a management group level, subscription level, resource group level, and resources for scope level. Then you need to apply the rule, the contributor rule, where you need to apply. Where you can apply in the management group level, you can apply in the subscription level, you can apply in the resource group level or resource level. So I just go for one small images. then I will explain also there. You will give your the role is like a inherited from the, if you give here the role, the role will be inherited from here to here, here to here. So it's like a waterfall method, waterfall level. So when you give here, this will be affected this all. If you give the role here, and it will be affected for this area. Okay. So I will explain here the tree of the management level. You will access, you will give the rule from here, it will be affected this all level. Okay. Example, you will give the role from here, I am role here, and RBAC, it will affected only the here. So this always, or also you remember in your mind, where you needed to give the scope level also the water inherited, and this is like a waterfall method. Where you give in the branch level, that scope will be, that role will be inherited. Okay. Okay, next one, things to consider when using the RBAC. What is it? Consider your requester. So consider your requester means who will give the request for the access the resource. It's like your user, or it's like employee, or external user, or group user. The security purpose is very application service resource. Okay. So consider your rules. Consider your rules. So type of the job, responsive work scenario, your organization. Okay. You need to consider the rule. What type of rule you need to give the requester. Okay. And the scope of the permission. And also you need to give the where the scope. For management level or subscription level, where you need to give this scope. So also you need to consider that also. And consider built-in or custom definition. And also, okay. You can, I told you already, more rules available in the Azure Portal, more built-in rules also available, and also you can edit them, you can make the custom rules. So you need to think, you can give the built-in rule or custom rule. Okay. So next slide, we will go for Azure AD rules. So now you understand Azure RBAC rule. So next we will go for the Azure AD rule. So Azure AD rules is tenant level rule application. So what is Azure AD rule? Specific rule provide access and management level identity objective inside our Azure AD tenant, not inside our Azure subscription, not in the subscription level. Rule assigned inside the Azure AD tenant user application level. So I will explain. Azure AD is Active Directory, Azure Active Directory rule. So it's only the tenant level rules. It's not the Azure resource level. So you can apply this only the tenant level, like user or device level and application level access. Okay. So what are the different type of rule? Also custom rule available for the Azure AD tenant level. So you can give them global administrator rule. It's like manage Azure AD resource root level. Okay. And the billing administrator is perform the billing task. User admin manage user group inside Azure AD tenant. And help desk administrator resetting the password or like this. So now you can understand. Yeah, now you can understand what is Azure AD role. Okay. So we will go for the next section. Compare Azure RBAC rule and Azure AD. Very important. In the exam time, they will you also remember Azure RBAC rule. Every time remember Azure resource level. Okay. Manage access to the Azure resource level. Azure AD rule only tenant level. Tenant level Azure AD objective. Objective means user, group, device, like this on application level. Okay. And scope can be specified at a multiple levels. What is multiple level means? You can give your that role to the management group level, subscription level, resource level, and like a group management group, subscription, resource, and resource group level. Okay. But Azure AD only tenant level. Okay. Only one object level. Okay. A rule information can access in the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, Azure PowerShell, Azure Resource Manager, template, and the statements. Rule information can access in Azure Portal, Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and Microsoft Graph and Active Directory PowerShell. Okay. Support customer, both support the custom rule. And the main rule in the Azure RBAC, owner, contributor, reader, and user access admin rule. And Azure AD rules, global admin, billing admin, and user. I already explained it. So now you understand what is Azure RBAC rule and Azure AD. Simple thing, Azure RBAC rule, Azure resource level, Azure AD rules only in the object level and the tenant level. Object in the tenant object level. Okay. Manage as the Azure AD object in the tenant level. Okay. So now we will go for the portal and I will show you what is Azure RBAC rule and Azure AD. I will not make anything like a custom or like this, and I not make the RBAC rule or anything. Just only show a Azure AD rule and Azure RBAC rule. and also next section I will cover for the customs and how to you can make the RBAC rule and assign. Okay, so now we will go for our portal. Okay, we will reach our portal. Okay, first we will go for the Azure AD, Azure Active Directory. So if you need to go for Azure AD Active Directory, you need to go for Azure Active Directory. So you can go for the blade from here, and also you can click it. Okay, just I will go for Azure Active Directory. Yeah, here you can see role and administrator. So here they will list all the custom built-in role here. Yeah, here you can see application level, developer, attack, payload, and more built-in rules is available. You can go for these sections. Okay, but I will just help this. Yeah, see this role is available. Just click this one, and you can get the description here, and you can get directory guest and what is the description. User invite the role, change the password, and refresh token manager service, and directory reader, guest invader, help desk administrator, and what. And here you can see all the role permission from there. Okay, so you just go for this one, and you can get it. And also you can go here, assign. You can assign this role, add assignment. You just click this one, and you can select the user and add it. So now I am not going for this one. Next section we will cover for this one. Okay, so now you understand how to we can go for the Azure AD roles. Okay, so just to close it this one, and I will show you something. Okay, okay, I think you understand Azure AD role. So now we will go for our Azure RBAC role. Okay, just to go for Microsoft Azure RBAC role, you can see this one different scope level. So subscription level, resource level, and management level, and resource group level. Okay, so just we will go for management group level. Then you can go for management group level. Then you can select the management. Then you can give the IAM scope. Just wait for the loading. Okay, I just go for my IT department. Yeah, you yeah, you can give a access control. Yeah, here you can add. This is the here you can check, go for roles and check whatever the my access. Just click this one, view my access. You can see what is I am the owner. See, now you can see the owner gain full access to the manage the all the resources, and here you can see the all the roles. See, all the built-in rule is available here, and you can also add the rule, add a rule assignment, add a co-administrator, add a custom rule. Okay, so the next section I will cover up. So you now understand management level. Also you can access the resources IAM level, and just we will go for also Microsoft Azure resource level. Just to go for click the resource level, different scope level you can give the access control. See here also access. Now we will go before we go for management level. Now we will go for the resource level already there, and the rules also there. So now we will go for our subscription level. Just to go for here subscription level. So each scope level you can give the role. See subscription level. See here also access available. And now we will no, I don't make any resources, so we will next time I will show the video. So the resource level also IAM is available, so you can understand here, and you can rule assignment and do next section. This topic completely will be covered. Okay, so now I think now you understand the difference between Azure roles and Azure roles and Azure AD role difference. Azure AD only tenant level, and Azure RBAC role resource level. Only this one concept only. So I now just wind up this topic. So I think you can definitely understand what is Azure and what is RBAC and what is Azure AD tenant level, and also everything. So if you like my video, just like and subscribe my channel, and please support me. So next section we will cover the RBAC section 2. Okay. So thank you for now. I wind up my talk. Thank you so much.